Hey guys, don't know how to brighten your life and stay in touch with your friends and family? Want to add some speed to the life flow, or at least some fancy tunes? We've also got something to record the best moments. All the prices you'll find by clicking the links in the description below. Do you have a cable you can customize with animations or maybe text? Now you can. Yep, this cable has an OLED screen. Download the app and customize the display with your favorite pic or quote, or even leave a message. Beware of a moving car. When you happen to use a third-party adapter, the cable will show you the info on what speed your gadget is charging and whether it's fast charging or not. When juicing up is over, the phone will tell you about that with a proper tone or vibration. The cable's super sturdy and pretty long to sit in the chair, sip the coffee, and search the internet. It's time to feel like a superstar followed by paparazzi. This flying cam will take the best shots and vids of you. All of them will be sent to the Snapchat memory, where you can edit them and then share in social media. Or yeah, this drone was originally designed as a companion to the Snapchat app, but you could easily send the content to any other platform. As for the built-in memory, it's enough for around 100 shots in 1,000 videos. The drone comes without a controller. There are 4 pre-installed paths instead. The device will orbit, float, or follow a few feet above you to capture all the precious moments, and then it'll land right on the palm of your hand. One battery's enough for 5 to 8 flights, so you better get an additional one if you're going to spend a lot of time outside. With this telescope, you'll observe the night sky and the world around you like never before. All you have to do is just install it on the tripod and pair the gadget with the app. The rest is almost fully automated. This thing features autofocus along with a tracking technology that follows the moving objects. The super crisp image is displayed in real time on your smartphone or tablet screen. There's more. You can capture multiple pics through 2-axis scanning and then stitch them into one huge pic. The device is powered by a 5,000 mAh battery, but the best part is that it's extremely lightweight and portable. This is the most versatile bottle we've seen so far. This reusable double-wall insulated stainless steel water bottle not only holds 17 ounces of water, it has a handy secret compartment in the base to hold keys, IDs, credit cards, cash, jewelry, and so on. Just unscrew the bottom part and access your valuables. The bottle will keep your beverages hot for 12 hours and cold for 24 hours. Could you think of a better outdoor activity companion? Meet the smallest, the lightest, and the most portable air quality monitor and alert device. All you have to do is just clip it to your bag or put it in your pocket. It'll record and monitor the levels of polluting gases in the ambient air around you. There's more. The device also captures pollution levels, measures the temperature, VOCs, and the likelihood of virus transmission in real time. You'll see the results on your phone in the dedicated app in a color-coded index. This way, you'll be informed at a glance. Riding rough terrain with bumps, cracks, and potholes is a disaster. This device will reduce arm, wrist, and shoulder discomfort. First, it's compatible with a wide range of handlebars, and it's easy to install. Its parallelogram, the spring-damp design, allows for a 0.75 inch of travel, and although it won't take the staying out of larger impacts, it does a good job obtaining high-frequency vibrations and smaller jolts. There are 3 different springs to adjust to your riding style and terrain: soft, medium, and firm. There's also an option of either 7-degree or 13-degree angle, either for performance or relaxed riding. Overall, it may feel a bit weird in the beginning, but your upper part will definitely thank you afterward. Yep, it's another smart doorbell. So first, it notices and saves every face that appears at your door. All you have to do is register the faces of the app so the cam can notify you of welcome and unwelcome guests. The device allows you to see any activity outside your door, even when you're out, in fact. It sends a real-time notification to your phone when someone uses the doorbell. Also, with two-way communication, it lets you talk to visitors. You can even customize this device to your preferences. For example, send voice messages for specific people. This feature works well for frequent visitors or when you're expecting a package. How many attempts did it take you to start a fire last time? This solar lighter is the best fire source that you can keep in your pocket. Unlike ordinary lighters, it doesn't pollute the environment and doesn't require electricity or gas. And it'll light up absolutely everything in just 2 seconds: wood, paper, tobacco, and so on. The way it works is pretty simple. Even when it's cold and windy, you'll still be able to ignite a fire promptly. This one's for those who live in a cold climate or just live with cold limbs. These smart heated gloves and socks evenly distribute heat up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit and maintain the chosen temperature. A dedicated app helps to make all the adjustments, and the wearables will stay in your precisely personalized setting every time you put them on. With the night visibility light, you'll always see them, and others will see you. The gloves feature touchscreen-friendly fingertips and an anti-slip grippy texture. But the biggest pro is that both gloves and socks will send an anti-loss notification in case you drop them somewhere. Yes, you'll finally find the other sock under the bed. Love the outdoors but have to spend a life in front of your PC? Well, if you don't come to nature, nature comes to you. These keycaps with the leaves inside look so real. Are you more into the marine theme? No problem. Here's a whole bunch of octopuses, astronauts in the ocean, and whales. Hell yeah, we want all of them too. And when you feel you'd like to change the caps, you can turn them into an army of tiny spiders. Whoa, they glow in several colors. There are 2 types of caps, so pick one that's more pleasant to the touch. Oh, a little spoiler, there are some caps that'll make you the father of the dragons. No need to thank us. Need a lamp for your desktop? Here's a solid choice. Pick one of 3 modes, either to get focused or relax when it's an ordinary book you're reading during the break. Kinekt will help to adjust the angle. Meanwhile, the lamp will charge your phone. Nice. Need some music to tune into a serious job? Connect the phone to the lamp and turn to the tune you need. Yep, there's a built-in speaker in the upper part. These are the icons that everybody wiped down to basically nothing trying to win the round in Mortal Kombat or any other game. Why don't you make them glow on your desk with a soft glow? Several lighting modes will pick your mood, and when you want to listen to some music, just make that blue light react to the music beat. Are you more into Overwatch? Okay, here's Bastion Light that'll guide you to the victory. Press the upper part to make it glow with blue light, or change the color to red when you're about to smash your enemies during another gaming session. From now on, making a 3D model of literally any object is no harder than taking a photo. It's a portable 3D scanner that stands out with buttery smooth operation and highest precision, even in the bright sunlight. Most importantly, it's so lightweight you can work for hours without breaking a sweat. And aside from handheld scanning, this thing makes a great combo with the optional turntable. The scanner's compatible with all major platforms. You only need to plug the USB cable. It suits both charging and data transfer. There's also a bunch of additional accessories, including a carrying case, power adapter, and a bunch of plugs. You think we'll say that these are the earbuds to the UV light that'll clean your ears from germs? Nice try, but no, way better. There's a special LED that customizes that mold to your ear within a minute. Yep, it's not ordinary rubber, it's a photopolymer that hardens under the special light. In the end, you get a fully customizable ear tip that finally won't fall out of your ear no matter what. As the following bonus, you get crystal clear audio without any noises, and so on. They also do all the stuff the other earbuds do. Work 8 hours on one charge, and the case prolongs that time up to 20 hours. Who cares? These earbuds won't fall out no matter what.